In this video, I will give you a complete tutorial of how to open long and short positions when you're leverage trading on Bitget. If you want to create an account on Bitget, you can use the link down from the video description. You will get to exactly this page right here and you can get more than $5,000 of bonuses after you've signed up. You can just go here to your reward center and you can see your first $1,000, how you can claim then. And all of these other different bonuses, more than $5,000 that you can easily redeem. And if you use the link from the video description, you will always be eligible for the best bonuses currently possible. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this right here. First, I want to show you how you can easily deposit money. You can do so by just going up here to your wallet and then click on deposit. Here you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. So Bitcoin, US dollar, Tether, whichever one you would like. You can choose a network. I, for example, like to use the Tron network for US dollar Tether, and then you will get your deposit address here. You can also add multiple ones. You can just copy that to your clipboard and then send money here to your wallet from another wallet or another exchange. If you don't have any cryptocurrencies yet, you can also deposit fiat by just clicking up here on deposit fiat. Then you can select your fiat currency here and deposit, for example, with a bank transfer. Once you have money on your account, the next thing we have to do is transfer it to your trading account. You can do that by just going here to your wallet and then click on transfer. And then you can choose from your spot wallet, you want to transfer it to your USDT futures account. You can choose the amount here. And then once you have the money transferred to here, we can now use to trade with it. Then we can go to the trading platform. You can do that by just going up here to trade and then to futures. And then you can choose one of these different options. I personally like to use the USDT futures because here you can trade with your base currency, US dollar Tether, with your own deposited money. You can trade any cryptocurrency that you would like that you can see right here. This is how the trading platform works. Here on the left, you can choose the trading pair that you want to use. Here you can see the chart in the middle, the order book. Down here, you will see your open positions. On the right, we can see our own assets, our own balance that we have on the account. And up here, we can control open and close our trades. First, I want to show you how you can open a long position, which is very easy. We'll start here on the right by choosing the mode. In this case, the margin mode is you can choose between isolated or cross. I would recommend just use isolated. There's no big difference if you have if you're only trading one pair at a time and only one position open at a time. It doesn't matter anyways. So in this case, let's just leave it at isolated. Here we can choose our leverage for long positions and for short positions. If you click on here, you can choose an up to 125x leverage. In this case, I'm fine with a 5x leverage, so we can leave it at that. Then we can choose if we want to open or close a position. In this case, we want to open. And now we can choose between two different order types, limit or market order. First, I want to show you how a limit order works. In this case, we can set a certain price at which we want to open the position. Let's say we don't want to open it now. We want to wait until it's at 30,000. So we can type in here 30,000 and then we can type in the amount. For example, $100. Let's say 100. In this case, we can now see down here, this position only costs us $20. Even though it's $100 big, that's because we are using a 5x leverage. And if our $20 are times 5 equals $100 entire position size. So that's how the calculation works. That's pretty much all we have to do. We can also set a take profit or stop loss, but we'll leave that for now and just open it. Click on confirm. And as you will see, there's no open position yet because it's just an open order. As you can also see right here, our open long. And you can see the status is unexecuted because it will only be executed if $30,000 is reached. Then the long position will open at that price. So that's how a limit order works. Now nothing really happens. We only would have to wait until 30,000 is reached. So we can cancel this order for now. And now I will show you how you can enter the market immediately, which I would recommend and which I will always use too. So just click on market and then you can see there's no price anymore because it will be executed right now immediately at the current market price. You can type in the amount again. You can either type it in manually right here in US dollars or you can use the slide controller to choose how much of your own money you will use. So as you can see, this is how much the position costs us. So if we choose it 100%, this right here, the $3,000 is all of the money that we have currently here on our account. Of course, you can switch that around, and if you just put it to 100%, here you can see the position size as well in Bitcoin. Let's leave it at 100% for now. You can choose a take profit or stop loss. In this case, for example, let's say we are in a long position, we want to open a long. So our take profit could be at, let's say, $34,000. We would make 62% profit and $1,700. Our stop loss, let's say we want to put it at 29,200. And then we would make 18% loss, $400 of a loss. Works fine for us. We can just click on buy long, confirm, and as you can see, now we have the position opened here. We can see all the important details down here. What's the position size? $14,000, which equals our own money, which is $3,000 times 5. The 5x leverage equals the $14,000. We can see our margin rate, 20% of our own capital is in this position with the $3,000 of the $14,000. We can see our liquidation price. So if we would not have a stop loss and the position would go so much down until 24,000 is reached, then the entire position would be closed and we would lose all of our margin in this trade. But of course, this doesn't happen because we have a stop loss set before that. We see our entry price where we entered the market. We can see the current price. We can see our margin. Again, this is the $3,000 of our own money that we have in it. It's currently a little bit less. So we probably have a little bit more available. Yeah, this doesn't always equal exactly the numbers. Here we can see our profit or loss that we have. Currently the price didn't move, as you can see. This is where we entered and nothing really happened yet. So now it went a little bit down, as you can see, 20 cents in a loss. And yeah, that's pretty much all we can see here. If you scroll up a little bit here, we can also see our take profit and stop loss, also with the size. You can of course edit these take profit and stop loss. If you just go here to your open orders, you will see your take profit and stop loss orders that you can see here. If you click on edit, you can say, for example, okay, I don't want it at 29,200. I want it at 29,600, for example. And then you can see this would change my profit or loss to a little bit lower. Click on confirm and it moved up. So that's really simple, and that's how it works. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to say for the long position. We can now, of course, leave it like that and wait until our take profit or stop loss is hit, or change that up, or we can close the position immediately by just going here to flash close and click on confirm, and now the entire position is closed. All right, next up I want to show you how the short position works, which is pretty similar. We only have to do is here select our leverage again. 5x leverage is fine for now. We can use a market order, enter the market immediately, choose the amount. Let's just go for 100% again. In this case, we want to have a short position. Actually, we don't want to set a take profit yet because we can also do that later on. I will show you. And then just click on sell short and confirm. And now we are in a short position. So now we are making profit if the price goes down, and we're making a loss if the price goes up. So if we scroll down a little bit now, and we can see everything again about our position. And if we want to set a take profit or stop loss, we can either click here or here. And if we do that, click on understood, we can now set a position take profit and stop loss. Let's say our take profit, we want to set it, of course we have to set it now below it. Let's say we want to say if $26,000 is reached, we want to close the position. As you can see, this would make a 69% profit, and our stop loss will be at 31,500, for example, which would say a 22% loss. Let's click on confirm, and now we have it. Our stop loss is here, and our take profit is down here. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Pretty similar, just the other way around with a short position compared to a long position. We can leave it there, we can cancel these, we can edit these, we can leave everything open like that and just watch the position. And that's pretty much all there is to say. Closing the position, of course, works just the same. Here, flash close, and then we are out at any point if you want to do so. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the more than $5,000 of welcome bonuses that you can easily pick up. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.